It is Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedov's clan. To be honest, I hate to call him president of Turkmenistan right now. Even international media not accepting the current president as a president of Turkmenistan. You are not president of our Turkmen people. They will never accept you as a president. That's period. It's a little bit stressful and my throat already like dry by talking about this stupid regime. So we will have 3 generations of Berdimuhamedov's clan. What that ladies did to you? Oh, Serdar Berdimuhamedov, I'm telling to you, it is a level of equal and even worse than North Korea. That's it. This is what he did for our country during 15 years and now he gave his position to his son. Guys, just think about this for 1 minute. Do you know what his son did first thing when he entered into office? Hello my dear Turkmen people and viewers of Turkmen Voice channel, I'm glad to see you again. Today our video will have 2 parts. First part, I would like to address message towards our beloved activist who is fighting against dictatorial regime of Turkmenistan. And second part, I will discuss about the main criminal who is staying behind of destruction of our country and destruction of Turkmen nation. So first part, let's dive into first part. Last 1.5 months, I would say, I noticed our activist mainly who is located in Turkey right now, who used to fight against dictatorial regime of Turkmenistan against the Berdimuhamedov, Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedov and Serdar Berdimuhamedov. Instead of fighting against them, you guys start to fight between each other. And I know most of you, you are great people, but you have some small misunderstanding and I want to just consolidate your relationship to make it much more better. And I would like to advise all of you, instead of spending your energy for fight of each other, let's spend your energy towards for the fight against the dictatorial regime of Turkmenistan, against the dictators of Turkmenistan. I would like to ask you, just forgive each other. Don't spend your time for fighting between each other, instead of just spend your energy for the war between the dictators and our Turkmen people who is suffering right now in Turkmenistan and under the ruling of these 2 crazy dictators, his son and father, basically Serdar Berdimuhamedov and Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedov. Let's spend our time and energy towards them instead of spending our energy for the arguing each other. That's the first message. And I don't want to mention anybody's name. I'm never going to mention anybody's name because it's too personal, and after watching this video everybody will make own decision, own conclusions, and hopefully you will change your mind and opinion regarding the this whole situation. And second part of our video, guys, main criminal, who is he? Who is staying behind the destruction of Turkmenistan, destruction of Turkmen people? Obviously, it is Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedov's clan. What does it mean, clan? Clan means his family members, his son, current president, our ex-president Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedov, who ruled the country from 2007 until 2022, when last year on the March he gave his position voluntary just to his son. His son became 40-year-old and he gave his position to his son. And now his son, president of Turkmenistan, and our country, day by day, drowning deeper and deeper and deeper. Nothing changing. So many people in Turkmenistan thinks that, oh, new president. Guys, it's not new president. It is the previous president whom you hate. It is his son. And his son, guys, when he became president on March 2022, do you know what his son did first thing when he entered into office? The first thing that Serdar Berdimuhamedov did, and what kind of law he ordered, he said the ladies cannot sit in the front seat and ladies cannot use makeup. Ladies cannot use Botox. Ladies should wear stretch pants under their dress. So we have national Turkmen dress. and they should wear stretch pants under their dress, which our Turkmen ladies never did before. They used to just wear socks and just dress, that's it. And he wants to let them wear some stretch pants in that hot temperature of Turkmenistan. Guys, just think about this for 1 minute. The person became president, his son, and first things that he did, he ordered this thing. Now just think for a few seconds what kind of mental issue you should have in order to tell this thing. First day of your presidential career, you are telling that ladies should not sit in the front seat of the car, and they should wear stretch pants, and they cannot use makeup. What that ladies did to you? Oh, Serdar Berdimuhamedov, I'm telling to you. What kind of mental problem you have in order to order this type of stupid laws? And I want to tell to my Turkmen people, this president, the current president, his son, the ex-president destroyed the country, and his son gonna continue destroying the country. He will continue that thing. And not only he will continue, the current president, Serdar Berdimuhamedov, he preparing his own son to pass his position in the future, maybe after 10-15 years, that to his son. His son will be president if we're gonna sleep. If we're gonna sleep, if we will not seek our rights, if we will not point our finger towards the constitution and tell, obey this constitution, what is written there, if we will not start to do like this, guys, my beloved Turkmen people, we will fail. We already failed last year, March 2022, when his son elected. We already failed. And now, 10-15 years, he will rule. He will rule the country. After ruling the country, he will just pass his position to his son, and his son name is Gurbanguly. And Gurbanguly, right now he's working in national security, some very top positions in national security. He's slowly preparing his son for a future. His son will go some career steps day by day, year by year, in order to, in end of the day, to become a president. So we will have 3 generations of Berdimuhamedov's clan who will really destroying the country. So this is the main criminal and his clan and his family members who is staying behind of this destruction of our country, as well as Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedov. Before the Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedov, there was a first president of Turkmenistan after when Turkmenistan split from the USSR. First president of Turkmenistan is Sapar Murat Niyazov. He was the main dictator of Turkmenistan. Everybody thought nobody will be worse than him. And when he passed away, he ruled the country from 1991 until 2006. When he passed away, everybody was happy. They thought, oh, new person gonna come and our country will be much more better than before. What happened? During 15 years from 2017, when Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedov became president, until 2022, what happened? He destroyed our country. He destroyed the spirit of our Turkmen people. He just let Turkmen people forget that Turkmen people, they are Turkmen. They forget their identity even. They are just human being, obeying human being. It's a very horrible situation going on, and during 15 years, this Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedov, after ruling the country, what he did, he just brought our Turkmenistan into the level of equal and even worse than North Korea. That's it. This is what he did for our country during 15 years, and now he gave his position to his son. And what his son gonna do? Of course, gonna steal all the monies from the country. Will continue destroying our country. Will continue stealing all the money from the people. People gonna still leave the country right now. The massive immigration of the Turkmen people abroad going on right now, and the president of Turkmenistan. To be honest, I I hate to call him president of Turkmenistan right now. Even international media not accepting the current president as a president of Turkmenistan. He is illegal president of Turkmenistan, and now onward I will always, I think in the previous videos I called already him illegal president of Turkmenistan, and he will stay forever illegal president of Turkmenistan. Even official websites, human rights organization, they are even announcing that that election on March 2022 was corrupted. So our illegal president of Turkmenistan, illegal. You are president for yourself. You are president of your family. That's it. You are not president of the people, Turkmen people. You are president of your own family. You are president of your wife. You are president of your kid. You are president of your father. That's it. You are not president of our Turkmen people. They will never accept you as a president. That's period. So that's why my Turkmen people, please never give up. Just keep fighting, because one day we can achieve democracy in Turkmenistan. Just our Turkmen people should, each time whenever they hear something stupid inside the country, they should point their fingers towards the constitution, our country, constitutional country. So just point your fingers towards the constitution and ask them to obey that particular articles. And I really appreciate for watching this video, my dear Turkmen people. It's a little bit stressful and my throat already like dry by talking about this stupid regime. And hopefully you will understand me, and please support my channel, subscribe to my channel, click the like button, put the comments below, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.